Hey everyone, if you're diving into the world of crypto, you're in for an exciting journey. Today, I'm going to talk about how mastering crypto investing can lead to financial stability and ultimately a more balanced life. Let's break it down. First up, financial security. When you invest wisely in cryptocurrencies, you create a cushion for yourself. Think of it as planting seeds for your future. With the right strategy, those seeds can grow into a significant safety net. This means you'll have funds available for emergencies, big purchases, or even just peace of mind. Now let's talk about reducing stress. Money worries are one of the biggest stressors in life. By mastering crypto investing, you can alleviate some of that stress. Knowing that you have a diversified portfolio working for you, even while you sleep, can be incredibly reassuring. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Next, let's discuss the path to a healthier life. Financial stability directly impacts your overall well-being. When you're not constantly stressed about money, you can focus on other vital areas of your life, like health and relationships. You'll find that with financial security, you're more likely to engage in activities that promote physical and mental health. Maybe even start that hobby you've always wanted to try. Finally, a balanced life. Combining financial security and reduced stress creates the perfect environment for balance. Imagine waking up each day knowing that your finances are in check. This stability allows you to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and enjoy life to the fullest. So, how do you master crypto investing? Start with education. Learn about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and market trends. Next, create a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various assets to minimize risk. Finally, stay informed. The crypto market is dynamic, so keep up with the latest news and adjust your strategies accordingly. Remember, the goal here is financial stability for a balanced life. By mastering crypto investing, you're setting yourself up for a future where you can live stress-free and focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more insights on navigating the crypto world. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Remember, investing involves risks. Always conduct thorough research, educate yourself about investing, and consult a licensed financial advisor if you need professional guidance. Until next time, happy investing.